With the complete web developer course, you get a lot more than just the best web development course available online. You get a year's free hosting on the Eco Web Hosting Advanced account, worth $200. You get a copy of the second edition of my highly rated How to Earn $10,000 While Learning to Code ebook. And you get the 3 official Bootstrap themes, which look great. So how do you get all these extras? Well, if you already have one of my other courses, you can go to ecowebhosting.co.uk/cp/profile, scroll down until you find the complete web developer course and click Verify Purchase. It's as simple as that. If you haven't verified another one of my courses, then just go to ecowebhosting.co.uk/cp/webdev2. That will take you to this page where you put in your email address. So I'll just use rob@example.com. Any password you like, but make sure it's nice and secure. And then you need your Udemy username. To get this, you go to any page on Udemy while you're logged in, and then your image at the top right there. And then click Public Profile. And in the URL of this page, that last bit there is your Udemy username. So that might be something like Rob Percival, or it might just be a random string of letters and numbers. Whatever it is, copy that and then paste it in and click Sign Up. And then we'll verify your purchase, and you have the option to receive some more getting started emails and give us any comments that you'd like to on the sign up process. Finally, just click Update Account Details, and that will take you to your profile page, and then just scroll down and you should see that the Complete Web Developer Course 2 is verified. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see how to get those course extras. So you can download the Bootstrap themes there, get the ebook using those links, depending on which version you want to read. You won't find these extras with any other web development course. So congratulations on choosing this course. And in the next video, I'll show you how to download and set up the 2 free pieces of software that you'll need for the course.